Hi and welcome to the short tutorials. In this video I will show you how to put clickable link in your Instagram bio. So if you want to promote your YouTube channel, any of your website or TikTok account, anything, so how you can add the link so people can visit your YouTube or the TikTok account. So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to copy any link you want to paste in the Instagram bio. So let's suppose this is my video.
How to make chicken Manchurian.
So I simply copy the link of this video from here, go back and open your Instagram. Right here you will see profile icon on the right bottom. Click on it. Once you will click on it, now you have to click on the edit profile. Once you will in your edit profile, you will see website is here. So I have already entered a link of my TikTok here. So simply paste the one link you have copied from the YouTube or from any of your platform, and then you have to click on this tick on the right top and you will see link is here. So now anyone can click it from here. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.